FreeFoam parts are 3D printed like any other DLP part. But the difference is, once these parts are printed, they are put into an oven and they are expanded 2 to 7 times their original size.
That means I can print my parts in one location, ship them to the destination in a low volume state, and expanding them in the destination where the market is or the customers are.
FreeFoam belongs to the DuraChain class of materials. DuraChain materials undergo a process called photopips, or polymerization-induced phase separation. This ability lets you control the in-situ forces during foaming as that material reacts with photons of light, and they phase separate into different regions to provide unparalleled stability, accuracy, and dimensional tolerance.
And that enables us to get very unique properties that allow 3D printing to be used for functional end parts and products.
We can fine-tune the duro or hardness response of these materials by the chemistry by combining unique chemical architecture with lattice design.
The more open structure allows water to flow directly through, and it's cooler and more comfortable for consumers.
So for the first time, we're combining the two concepts of a closed cell foam and an open cell foam in which you have a very light weight and an ultra high performance.
DuraChain and FreeFoam give our parts the ability to be greener, cleaner, and more sustainable, and to be manufactured economically, free from the constraints of molds and expensive capital investments. So we have this rare combination where science and technology innovation has led to a fundamentally better process that's also less expensive. And we're excited about how that's going to change your ability to bring mass micro-architected goods to an exciting marketplace of the future.